Hey y'all, how y'all doing? Happy Saturday. We are out here enjoying the pool today. Here is the lake. We hadn't been over here in a while. Oh, look at this beautiful bird. Let me zoom in. Y'all see that? Who knows what kind of bird that is? Tell me in the comments if you do. There's another one. But the lake out here where we live, it's beautiful. We're out here enjoying the pool. Lots of people in the pool today. My crew is down there, right there. But there's a lot of people out here today. Not overcrowded, but it's a few. That's where we do the putting golf balls out here. Fish is jumping up there. I see the fish. Don't see any gators out here today. Hope everybody is enjoying their Saturday, this weekend. Any plans? We just want to be out enjoying beautiful weather and nature. Hope you all are having a great day.